Hello everyone, again this is Tejal from Sunmodule Software and today we will see how to add cycle count. So let's start. Just click on inventory module and select cycle count submodule. Just click on these four dots. You will see add cycle count option over here. Just click on it to create new entry. Just add reference ID over here. I'm just adding month count. Add the reason for it. Monthly update I'm just adding over here. Status set as I have set at open. Enter the notes if any and just click on save only. Your data will be saved and page will be reloaded, and you can easily add bin locations through bin locations tab. Just click on add option and select the bin which you want to add. I have just selected one bean. Just close that model. That bean will be added successfully over here. Just go to details page and just save and close it. Your entry will be created successfully and you can easily view, edit and delete that entry through these actions. You can check your item list whichever added from the EasyBooks application that are available in this item list, and you can approve it through this approve action. Then you can quick search your cycle counts through this filter given over here. I'm just adding reason over here. This is how you can quick search your results, and you can quick refresh your search result through this refresh button. This is how you can add your cycle counts. If you get any query to add cycle count, then connect us at contact us at the sunmolesoftware.com. See you in the next video.